In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Slack account in just 5 minutes. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Slack, whether it's to transition to another platform or simply to declutter your digital life, you're in the right place. Deleting a Slack account might seem daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step smoothly and efficiently. First, let's get started by navigating to the official Slack website. Open your preferred web browser and visit slack.com. This is where we'll begin the process of deactivating your account. Make sure you're using the browser where you're already signed in, or have your login details ready if not. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look for the option to sign in. If you typically access your Slack account using Google, go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This will streamline the login process, pulling your profile directly from your Google account so there's no need to remember a separate password. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Slack dashboard. This is your home base where all your communications and channels are visible. Now, direct your attention to your profile section. It's usually located in the top right corner with a small icon or your avatar. Go ahead and click on it to open up more options. Within your profile, you'll find a menu. We're going to focus on accessing your account settings, so look for an option labeled Account Settings and click it. This area is crucial because it houses all the information related to your account preferences and personal data. Now that we're in the account settings, scroll through until you find the option that says Deactivate Account. It's a small but significant step towards saying goodbye to Slack. Clicking here will prompt a confirmation window asking you to verify your choice to deactivate. Make sure you've considered this decision carefully, as this action cannot be undone once completed. Before you officially deactivate your account, consider if there are any important files or messages you'd like to save. Once your account is deactivated, recovering this data becomes impossible. If everything is set, acknowledge the confirmation and proceed to deactivate your account. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to delete your Slack account. Whether it's a part of simplifying your workflow or moving on to new tools, you've taken a decisive step today. Remember, technology should work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below if you have any questions or need further assistance.